Do your photos still suck? Well, in today's video on framing and composition techniques that can instantly improve your photos, we're going to talk about frame within a frame and symmetry. So what is symmetry and frame within a frame? Symmetry is the easiest one to explain. That is simply balancing your subjects in between two similarly sized objects. Frame within a frame is placing them inside of a natural frame, something that is already within your environment. Let's jump in and take a look at some examples. Now, in our first photo from an engagement session in Las Vegas, you can see that our couple is bounced in between the two doors. In this next photo, you can see we have both symmetry and frame within a frame. And in our final photo, we also have frame within a frame, but now we also incorporate leading lines. It's this combination of techniques that helps to elevate this photo from something mundane into something strong. Now, I hope you found this video series helpful. If you did, please hit save and refer back to it when you need it. You can also follow and subscribe for more content just like this.